So we've got up to a wee spot up here. We'll show you the bike, show you the new Steed. Perfect scenery for showing you the new bike. There she is, Kawasaki Z800 2014 plate. And what a beauty, look at that. I'm not going to go through all the stats and figures with the bike, stick them up on the screen up here. You can have a wee look yourselves if that's what floats your boat. With regard to this one, there's been a couple of additions made to it, changes made to it by the previous owner. So first off, we've got like a Puig under tray, good old headlight protectors, seat cowl, which I think just looks brilliant if you're out on the bike by yourself. Just finish the bike off nicely. And it's actually a nicer green than the standard seat. Standard seat green isn't, to me it's not Kawasaki green, but that's just my personal opinion. Carbon fibre rear hugger by Power Bronze. Never heard of Power Bronze, don't know if it's good or bad, but look at that, look at it, it's just beautiful, beautiful. Look at this, look at this. Scorpion red power carbon fibre exhaust, what a beauty, and what a nice noise comes off of it. Still got the baffle in, we might take that out later in the day and see. And then this is just the battery charge, he's tied that around there. We might move that because I'm not sure I like that hanging down, we'll see. So what do I like about the bike? I like the seating position, it's nice and upright, not bent over like you were on the ZX6R. Not so much weight on the wrists. It's 800 as opposed to 600, so you're not having to throttle all the time to get going. Other thing I don't like about this bike already, and I'm planning on changing it, these mirrors, they're bordering on useless. Anyway, enough chatting and looking at the scenery and discussing the new bike. Let's go for a ride on it. So the screen is so clear. Take a little eco symbol to tell you when you're being economical, because that's what us bikers are all about. How she rides, absolutely brilliant. And whoa, she pulls. You know, does some fun, she'll flick about quite happily. Brakes, it's not the ABS model. ABS model was a lot more money. I was saying about the brakes, I say they're not ABS, but they're powerful enough. Back one, I think a few people had said, was a wee bit spongy. I was watching a video recently from Richie Vida, and he was talking about how naked bikes, just the pure power and stuff, you can get yourself into a lot of trouble very quickly. This, it's only an 800, and it can do it. They'll get you into a lot of trouble if you're not careful. What I like about the seat cowl, first time I've ever ridden with a seat cowl, absolutely brilliant. Especially on this bike, because you've got no wind protection, when you do open it up, it forces you back and your arse hits right against the seat cowl and it keeps you in place. Tripping the way back up was fine. Again, a few people commented about the seat on the Z800 and the Z1000 being quite thin, quite sore. I didn't experience that at all. Maybe I've just got more cushion, but I didn't notice it being sore at all. The leg position, even for a shorty like me, is good. But yeah, it was a bitterly cold night, and I even stopped at a petrol station not far from Scotch Corner, and I was so cold, so I thought I'll get myself a nice coffee. Whilst I was waiting on the coffee brewing, I was trying to warm my hands up, blowing the hot air onto them, and really nice female assistant behind the checkout handed me a pair of gloves. I was heading up to Inverness, and yeah, got the gloves for free. So absolutely brilliant service. Be doing more people like you in the world. And I think that's actually how I got home, because otherwise I would have been in a lot of agony, a lot of pain. Plans for this bike, get some new mirrors on. Mirrors actually work. Heated grips. Probably going to go down the Oxford route again. I like the Oxfords on my ZX6R. R&G ones are nice, but the switchgear doesn't look as nice. So we'll have to wait and see what Santa brings, I suppose. Panniers, I've requested from Santa already that I get some nice panniers for Christmas. Going through moving house just now, a bigger house, a garage. So there may be some more garage videos coming up on the channel, look out for them. But money's a wee bit tighter than I would like right now. He says, having went and bought a new motorbike, but that's just me. That's the way I work. If you can think of a name for this bike, hit me up in the comments below. The last bike I decided was Nicky. It just came to one night. This bike, I'm not quite sure yet, so if you think of something, hit it up in the comments, let me know.